Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe, press the like button and get started. Cybersecurity and data privacy. The importance of data security is growing as the globe gets more interconnected. Not to mention the permanent harm done to the company's image, which in turn lead to decrease in valuable value and consumer engagement. Strong cyber security practices and data privacy regulation may dramatically reduce the likelihood of database and others intrusion. How a company should prioritize cybersecurity and data privacy is not fully obvious. Let's compare and contrast the two ideas of cybersecurity and data privacy. Data privacy, what is it? Data privacy includes a wide range of precaution and strategies for protecting the data when it is in motion, at rest, or both. With encryption, sensitive information is transferred into an unreadable format. The record a secret key or password to deceive. The content of data protection is the simulation maintenance of data security and its availability in all contexts. Data protection may refer to renewed data backup and contingency planning in an emergency. Therefore, there are two parts that data security method might take: administration and accessibility. In contrast to data security, data availability guarantee that information may be accessed whoever needs. To being implement MFA, the data is often something the user know or is in processing of, or only a password and something unique about you, like your fingerprint or face. MFA is essential for protecting sensitive information. It safeguard your user data by locking unauthorized access. If a hacker is successful, they may break your business trust with its customer. Data encryption. Data masking is the process of hiding the data worth of information from prying. Is to protect personal information. Data masking as essential, and data masking occurs often inside the database itself. Data should be protected even when it is stored in database. Science developers DBAS and other staff member have to business accessing it wherever they will also want access to the remain data and its organization. Data masking is the answer to this predicament. Instead of seeing sensitive information like social security number, credit ratings, and medical diagnosis, developers will see a random string of characters after masking. Cybersecurity, what is it? Cybersecurity is securing computer system, software, and the internet against intrusion. Attackers utilize this method to steal data, compromise system, blackmail victims, disrupt servers, and delete file to effectively secure your networks, computer programs, and data. Your cybersecurity strategy should use numerous leaps of defense. The only way to build strong protection against a cyber attack is for the people, system, and producer inside an organization to work with one another. Similarly, your data security and cyber defense approach should complement one another. Safety in the making. According to currently cybersecurity best practice, compliance should be included in an application from the beginning during the coding phase. Security by design describe this approach. Some an insurance provider is interested in developing a mobile application that provides instant personalized home insurance instrument to interest client. Software developer often work under pressure to meet the deadline set for them. According to the principle of security by design, app security should be an integral parts of the scheduled rather than an afterthought. The deadline accounts for the time and energy need to maintain a adequate cybersecurity posture. Security by design is more than just talking about operation precaution you should take. It calls for methods, coding, precising. Precision, a software engineer is one such example. Every data transfer must be recorded in that manner legal on otherwise every transmission of user data can be breached. Thank you for watching us.